Hi. How are you today? So this is a C-Max that makes a whining noise when the gas engine's running. Let's see if we can duplicate it. You hear that? That's a transmission noise. I think I'm going to make this video to help people figure out what's going on with their car. It's a common noise. Okay, that gas engine cut off so you don't hear it anymore, but I haven't torn one of these down when they make that noise, but I believe it's a generator noise from the generator motor, and when I do a fluid sample, it seems to be catastrophic, and it sounds like the bearings are roaring inside the transmission too. It needs one. I don't know if you can hear that over the belt chime, but all right, here we go. Yep. The transmissions are kind of pricey on these too, so I want to say $8,000 or $9,000. So yeah, it needs a transmission replacement. I hope this video helps you out. If your Fusion or C-Max is making this noise, at least you have some direction, some idea of what's going on. But yeah, it's somewhat common. And they all make the exact same noise like that when they fail. So hope this helps. Good luck with your issue. Have a nice day.